I just want to tell y'all from the bottom of my heart, thank y'all for liking and subscribing. Hey, say thank you. Oh, he's playing in the dirt. He's too occupied. Say thank you.
No.
Just little old country boy. Had to clean the trailer up because we're headed to the sale barn this weekend and buy more cows. Do it, baby. Buying more cows this weekend. Taking this trailer. Let's take the white trailer.
No, that's Mama one.
Oh, that's Mama's.
Yes, it's Daddy.
Oh, this is Daddy's. Okay. Let's go check out all the animals. The old nag's in here. Ryder. Hey, baby. And we got old DJ, who I team rope off of. Yes. Can't forget the puppies. What? Huh? Huh? She did? For what? Just rubbing? Huh. It is a wet, muddy mess around here. And we got little Mr. Fix-It. Got his little screwdriver. Ain't that right? Yeah. Got all the chickens. Oh, backhoe ain't been moved. Too damn wet. Got the old quail and the kids' rabbits. Now we're going back here to see the goats and the calves. Come here, babies. Oh. It's feed time. They don't care about nothing but eating. Please like, subscribe, share.